Hello everyone, welcome to our new course and here you will learn on how to apply for Certificate of Accreditation as Pollution Control Officer from DENR Environmental Management Bureau. There are three documentary requirements you will need to submit to DNR EMB to secure the certificate of accreditation. Number one is the appointment letter as PCO. Number two, the joint affidavit of undertaking between the PCO and the managing head. And number three, the certificate of employment. So this time we will prepare the first documentary requirement, the appointment letter as PCO. Now, as shown on the screen is a sample of an appointment letter as pollution control officer. And this appointment letter is addressed to the regional director of the concerned regional office of EMB. For example, of course, the date, Honorable Robert Angelo Metin, the regional director, Environmental Management Bureau, Region 4A, and office address, 4th floor PITX, Tower 2, Barangay Tambo, Parañaque City. So your appointment letter shall be addressed to the concerned regional director of your respective regional office. And here subject, appointment letter as pollution control officer. And dear Director Metin, warm greetings. So what is the content of our appointment letter? We would like to appoint Mr. Juan de la Cruz as Pollution Control Officer of ABC Restaurant located at Barangay Tambo, Lipas City, Batangas, pursuant to the requirements of DAO 2014-02 and perform the duties and responsibilities but not limited to the following. So in this appointment letter addressed to the regional director, indicated clearly the name of the appointed PCO, his position, and the establishment name where he is appointed as PCO and the particular location of the establishment. In the appointment letter, also give the brief duties and responsibilities. So here, five duties and responsibilities of a pollution control officer, not limited to the following. Number one, ensure updated permits and certificates issued by concerned regulatory agency. Number two, submit on-time environmental reports. Number three, monitor activities and recommend appropriate control measures to protect the environment. Number four, implement environmental programs, projects, or activities in support to local and international events. And five, attend meetings or seminars as continuing professional development. So these are the duties and responsibilities of the appointed PCO based on this appointment letter. And here we have the statement he referring to the appointed PCO, Mr. Juan de la Cruz, will perform the above mentioned function and report to the undersigned as immediate supervisor. So this refers to the um, managing head, the immediate supervisor of the pollution control officer. So thank you very much. Sincerely yours, Mr. Peter Pan. Our example, the name of the managing head. And then here in the appointment or designation letter, last part, conform by the appointed or designated PCO, Mr. Juan de la Cruz. So both of them will sign this appointment or designation letter as PCO. So in summary, this is the template for preparing our appointment letter for submission to DNR Environmental Management Bureau to seek accreditation as pollution control officer through online application system. So later we will prepare the other documentary requirements. We will also visit the prescribed online application system intended for the client of DNR EMB for the purpose of PCO accreditations. If you want to know more about securing accreditation as PCO, kindly watch the next video. Thank you very much for time watching and listening, and God bless us all.